This thing is a black box. Okay, it's actually a silver box, but I'm talking figuratively because I have no idea what goes on in here. All sorts of things happen that I don't expect, and stuff I do expect doesn't happen. So after decades and decades of nuking stuff, I have finally taken the time to crack open this black box. This is Minute Food. A microwave's magic starts with a magnetron, which sounds made up but is a real thing. It's kind of like a light bulb, but instead of sending out waves of electromagnetic energy that we can see, it sends out longer, lower energy electromagnetic waves known as, yes, microwaves.